I think I might return this outfit that I'm wearing right now because I think I look a little odd. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you guys a unboxing of my FABFITFUN box. I've actually been thinking about canceling it, believe it or not. I don't know, I just wasn't paying attention to this box this time. I'm starting to get in the mindset of like I don't need to hoard a whole bunch of beauty products and stuff. But now with everything going on in the world, I'm kind of happy that I did. I think I may have already posted the vlog about everything going on, at least here in Connecticut. So if you're curious about that and my experience within the last few weeks, then that's linked down below. But other than that, today we're doing a FABFITFUN unboxing. We're still going to be positive and we're still just going to keep trudging on. What's happening in the world right now, like we love makeup and beauty and unboxings. Here we are. So you guys know I have a FABFITFUN box, the only subscription box that I am subscribed to, and I actually really love it because it has butterflies all over, and I feel like butterflies are just, they mean a lot to me personally and to a lot of people, and so I love that the box is butterflies. Also, how am I gonna open this? Because I don't have anything today. Nails, which 2 of my nails have already popped up, and I'm very sad because my nail girl, I personally think she's gonna end up closing. This time for spring 2020, they have partnered with Dress for Success. I love that every single season they partner with a different charity. That's awesome. We open the, oh, it's pretty. There's a lot more butterflies in there, which is really, really pretty. And then we have Gina Rodriguez, which, oh, she was on that Jane show. I don't know. And as usual on the back, there's always a giveaway or something for to enter, so you can go to a beautiful place. But we also have in here Bite. What is this? Oh! Crooked teeth, bite me. Straighten and brighten your smile at home 6 times faster and 65% less expensive. Ooh, I will have to dig into this. And of course we get a HelloFresh that I always mean to use and never do. So we have, oh, it's a little butterfly. I'm going to rip it open. Some of the stuff I did choose, some of it not so much. And honestly, when I got to choose the specific items, I didn't choose makeup products because they were sold out. And to be honest, again, I'm always in that back and forth of like I don't need these products, but then I buy them anyway. There's that. This AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner Moisture, which I'm always down for a leave-in because bleached hair, hello. So I'm very excited about that. Next we have a Murad Rapid We have a rapid collagen infusion, which I think is amazing because since I am getting older, I'm not in my 30s yet. Most of you guys know I am 27. Like, I'm not like considered like old, but in my mind I'm just like I should, you know, start taking better care of my skin now rather than later, you know what I mean? So this I'm very excited to try out as well. Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior from This Works. Oh, so basically it's a lotion. Okay, so we have like a little body lotion, which I like body lotions. So it's sealed. I don't know why I do that and expect to smell it, but. And we also have this necklace by Amber Skeets. I think it's really pretty. I think it's a double necklace too, which is really pretty. It's like that really trendy, like little like gold plated little dainty thing right there, little plates, which is really pretty. So really excited for that. I love necklaces. I'm trying to be a little bit better fashion wise when I go out, but I feel like since I work 5 days a week, I don't really have an excuse to dress up anymore. Being a daycare teacher, and you know, the weekends I feel like are my only time to be extra, but then I feel like I go overboard and then I'm too extra and then people stare at me and I get really uncomfortable and it's just the whole thing. Avene, I think I've had this brand before. Thermal Spring Water Soothing for sensitive skin. Oh, okay. So basically this is kind of like a Mario Badescu moment right here. Thermal Avene. Fancy. And this has spring water in it. I think that's awesome, and it's for sensitive skin. That is also going to be great for someone like me because my skin is a very weird combination. Alright, next we have some silicone. Yes! Yes, I love metal straws and I love all of my cups and my plastic straws. You guys know I have them in my purses and stuff. I've never had silicone straws, so I'm very excited about this. These are from Chic and Tonic. There's 4 of them in there. This is the Full Bloom collection, so I'm assuming those are all the colors that you get in there. Alright, next we have, what is this? Oh, tea towels. Oh, cute! We have some Stone Cold Fox tea towels. That's gonna be cool. Always need like hand towels. Like I feel like I never have enough in my house too. For like the stove or for people wipe their hands on, that sort of thing. Ooh, and it's folded up nicely. Ooh, fancy. I'm excited. Something for the house and not me, which I'm very happy about because I have a lot. I have a lot. I have enough. Okay, and the next thing we have in here is a Caravan Design Well Traveled. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a rug. Oh, yes. Oh my God. I'm definitely going to use this for my bathroom because our rug in there is really disgusting and it's been there since we moved in. So it's time to upgrade her. I can't open it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, okay. That's a nice rug. Oh, I like that. That's cool. And it's bigger than the other one too. So this is what the rug looks like. I think it'll go great with my bathroom too because my bathroom's kind of like beachy, nautical themed because David and I love the beach. So this will go great in there. I'm very excited about that. Could you put this in the bathroom or is it supposed to be like a front rug? I don't even know. I'll figure it out. Maybe it won't go in the bathroom. So yeah, that's very underwhelming. I don't realize that I got slim pickings when I went to choose some of my items, so I don't have any exciting makeup products, but I am very excited about like the skincare and the necklace and all and the straws and all that kind of stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very brief FabFitFun unboxing. My statement that I have posted here on YouTube and my Twitter and my Instagram, I am still going to be uploading. I said at least once a week, but now I'm going to say it in this video if I didn't already say in my vlog. If you haven't watched that, I was just temporarily laid off. So yeah, try and post as much as I can while I'm not working. But on a positive note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It got you out of a funk a little bit. I know all of us with our mental health right now and with everything going on in the world, it's driving me personally crazy, so I know it probably is for you guys, and I hope that I was able to make your day a little better unboxing my FabFitFun box. But I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. Expect more videos. Maybe vlogs. I don't know yet. We'll see how this goes. We'll see how this 14-day quarantine, I don't even know what's happening. I don't know how long I'll be out of work for. That's the horrifying part. But thank God for unemployment. I love you guys. Bye.